Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of this gorgeous Louboutin bag, as well as what's in my bag video. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So I've had this bag for I want to say about 9 months now, and I absolutely love this bag. I feel like it's such a good everyday bag. It is a gorgeous sort of top handle, crook of the arm carry. Louboutin is mostly known for shoes, but it has recently, in the last few years, really gotten into handbags, and they do it well, let me tell you. So this bag, in my opinion, is a year-round bag. It's an everyday carry kind of thing. Definitely can wear it as a shoulder bag or crossbody. So definitely long enough for either one of those things. So the dimensions of this bag are 12 inches in the length, 7 inches in the height of this bag, and then it is, carefully turn this over so nothing falls out, 3.4 inches in the depth of this bag. Now, since we're here, let's take a minute to obsess over the bottom of this bag. Is it not beautiful? I love how it's embossed Louboutin, and it also has embossed in the gorgeous calfskin leather Christian Louboutin. Beautiful. So as I mentioned, it is this most beautiful sort of pebbled leather and the most gorgeous calfskin leather. It's very durable. It does not scratch easily. I've not had any issues with wear and tear on this bag. It still looks brand new in my opinion. And then it has these really beautiful sort of metal spike hardware that just really adds a little bit of elegance, but it also adds a little bit of edginess to the bag. And I just think it's such a fun bag. It's definitely like a modern twist on a really gorgeous bag. Now, I personally love the red underneath the straps, the inside of the shoulder or crossbody strap as well. And then of course, as I just showed you, the bottom of the bag. It just adds a layer of luxury to the bag, and it's just absolutely stunning. So the retail on this bag is $1,190. I picked mine up from Nordstrom. I also saw it at Neiman Marcus, and this is in the color lychee, which is so beautiful. I kind of feel like it takes on different color tones based on what you wear, if that makes sense. If I wear pink, it kind of pulls a little bit more pink. If I wear white, it looks a little bit more white. And then if I wear a deep color like navy or black, it just seems to have kind of like a neutral tan tone to it. It is the most versatile, beautiful bag. I've been loving carrying this in the summertime, but this is one I can see myself using quite a bit this fall and into the winter. Can you imagine this gorgeous pop of color with the red on a gorgeous sort of navy or black coat? I think that would look so stunning, really any color, because it is such a neutral bag. I also think this would look gorgeous with chunky knit sweaters, cardigans. It's just a beautiful bag, you guys. I absolutely have been enjoying this one, and I certainly plan on carrying it into fall and winter time as well. So this bag is so good. Like I said, I don't feel like there is really anything bad to say about this bag. The pros are all there. It is stunning. It is a removable strap. So if you don't love the chunky strap, you can remove it. And it does have the most beautiful chunky clasp. And it does say Christian Louboutin embossed there in the silver. And then the strap itself is just immaculate with the stitching. It is a nice chunky strap. I will show you mod shots so you can see what it looks like on. And then of course you have these really great adjustments here, so you can adjust the bag to whatever you would like, a shoulder bag or a crossbody. Then, like I said, the inside, I love this pop of color. It really does just add something extra to the bag, and it is completely removable so that you can use this as a top handle bag or a crook of the arm carry bag, which is how I use it quite a bit, especially if I have a little bit more of a dressy outfit. If I have like slacks and a button-down shirt, I would usually wear this more top handle or crook of arm carry. And if I'm more casual with jeans and a sweater, I'm going to use this a little bit more crossbody or shoulder bag. So very versatile, very beautiful. It is so classy and chic in my opinion. I can't stop staring at it some days. I just set it down on my coffee table and that is such a beautiful bag. I mean, that's just what I think. I'm just being honest. Now, this bag is made in Italy, which I love that about a gorgeous bag like this. This is a designer bag. You probably figured that out from the price tag, and Christian Louboutin is a well-known Italian designer. And as I said, he got his start with shoes, the red bottom shoes, and now he has kind of morphed into gorgeous handbags, and he does them so well. So I have been loving this so much, and I just feel like it checks all the boxes for the aesthetic of the bag and the functionality. It holds so much, which you will see when I show you what's in my bag, which is what we're getting into now. But I did just want to share the bag with you first, in case you're interested in it. You have all the specs. The only con that I can see about this bag is that if it gets knocked over, I mean, it is open. So there's that. That really is the only thing I can think of I don't love about the bag. You do have to be aware when you're in a crowd, you know, it would be easy for someone to grab something. So something to keep in mind, when I'm in a crowd, I usually will have it either in front of me or I will have it as a crossbody also in front of me so that it is close to my body and not easy for someone to just reach in and grab something. I try not to use it as a shoulder bag when I'm in a large crowd or a group of people. So that's just really the only thing I can think of. It does have a lobster claw to hold the bag together, and that does help a little bit with security, but as I said, it wouldn't be that hard to stick your hand and grab something. So there's that. Now there is a little bit of weight to the bag, but nothing too crazy. And let me just share what's in here. So I have my sunglass case, and I can't leave home without my sunglasses. I also have my car keys in here, and those are easy to find with that little ball, let me tell you. And then next I have this cute little Coach pouch that I carry kind of like as a catch-all for things I enjoy carrying with me. So I do have some Altoids. I have a Coach mirror for my lipstick touch-ups. I have a Chanel Glow Lippy in the color Light, I believe. And then I also have my AirPods. So that's what's in this little cutie. And then I also carry with me my Louis Vuitton. This is my Clemence wallet, and I love this wallet. It holds all the things and it fits seamlessly in this bag, which is one of the things I love about it. It's definitely a small, and it's called a mini tote bag, but it definitely doesn't feel mini at all. It feels like a perfect size. And then I carry my hand sanitizer, and I love this little, it's just beautiful. I love to carry this. This is just my Giorgio Armani lipsticks. I usually will carry these two because one is a nude. Like that one is a nude color for, you know, kind of an everyday. And then I also have this one, and this one is like a pinky nude. So I have like a brown nude and a pinky nude, and it's just nice to have the options. And then I also have my L'Occitane hand cream. This one is really good, especially when the weather starts to get cooler and my skin starts to dry out. I always carry a hair clip just in case my hair drives me nuts. And then I also have my phone charger because you never know. So that is everything. So now you can look inside the bag. Let me give you a nice close-up. There are no pockets or slits to put anything. It is just one open compartment, but it is absolutely beautiful. So love that so, so much. That is all the things that fit in this little cutie. You could fit more. I try not to overstuff my bags because then I have to carry them. So, all right, let me show you some mod shots of this bag. Okay, so I am 5'10" for reference, and this is what this bag looks like. This is the most gorgeous, versatile, stunning luxury bag in my opinion. And while it is not cheap, I feel like it is definitely a little bit more affordable than some of the other luxury bags that are out there. And this one is truly stunning, you guys. So pretty. As a shoulder strap, really pretty. I really enjoy this strap. It's chunky and thick, and if you're in a situation where you have to walk a long way and the bag starts to get heavy, this is just such a comfortable strap. I love it. Then as a crossbody, so beautiful and functional, as I said, just really, really pretty. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and what's in my bag video. If you did, please like it, and I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye guys.